Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel. We are loading up for DriftHQ's 4th of July at Atlanta Motorsports Park. And if you've been following the channel, you've probably seen Georgie's shitbox. Yep. That one's hopefully going to make it to AMP, and then shortly after, we were supposed to go to Lanier, but we're actually going to go to Mid-Pond because Clutch Kick is just coming back. So, screw it, free practice. Might hit up that series too just for fun. Reminisce on the good old days, early comp status. We got about 40 tires that we got to take out with us, which is going to be awful. That trailer's got like 20 already. We got our boy Battery Man. Milwaukee big guy, super sick SCCA Audi here. That's cool. Look at it. Check it out. See that right? You jerking? That thing. Welcome to Buc-ee's. Hey, the car's still there. That's cool. Nothing foul, wow. We're about 150 miles out. It'll be a great day. Very tired. Very good sausage, egg, and whatever this is. See you there. Right here we got goddamn 1990. We got some people checking out the cars. Hello. Admiring the car. Yeah, it's all good. Well, they're drift cars. So they're pro drift cars. First one's a 93 RX-7. This is a 93 BMW. 99. 99, sorry.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Y'all have a good day.
Thank you, man. You too.
Yep, all straps are perfect. We're good.
Car's still there, fellow?
Yep.
All right.
Still there.
All right, that's cool, man.
It's a 99 BMW. How dare you?
M3. Oh. And I got 93 and 95. I didn't see you there. What's up, guys? We're here, our buddy Stefan, Steven. He let us use his parking lot property thing to store the trailer.
Shout out to the FRS community.
Big FRS people out here. Love it. Always supporting us.
Look at the views, though.
Views are killer. Look at the mountains. Montañas. Wow.
But there's a B. No.
Here on the tour of Dawsonville,
Cigarettes on the mountain.
we admire the beautiful scenery. Right back down there is where Timbuktu used to make some campfires at night. Right over there. You see that little path? Mm-hmm. Did you know that back in 1921, I think, George Washington marched right through here? Welcome to the Airbnb, boys and girls. And we got a basement with a pool table over there, laundry over there. It's like a little party pantry down there. Upstairs is like more rooms. Sick master bedroom. Got a fellow over there, you know, chilling the moist. Got a nice little. This is what really sold the Airbnb here. Is this chair? Oh, she's up now. Hey, fellow, chilling the moist. In case anybody's wondering, I got that thing on me, bro. Lady at the front gate said, yo, be careful. You know, y'all are at the top of the mountain. There's bears, so we got that bear attack deterrent, you know? We hit them with the, oh no, bear be gone. Oh no. Run away, bear. Don't bite me. Good, we're not on fire yet. But propane and fire don't mix, so I don't know. We'll be full of Airbnb up.
I don't know.
Well, I gotta record it for my story. Well, on this episode of Tim TV Cribs, thanks, I wish. I bet you this is so good. It's really good, man. Oh my god, I can just smell it. Lemon pepper. Damn, that's too much lemon pepper. It's all good though. Alright. See you later. Thank you for coming to my, what's that called? Food reviews. Oh, steak fella. You're good, man. Yeah. Yep, you're really good. Yep, really good. Belly's unloaded. Go get some tan. Yep, we're all loaded now, pal. Oh, so shit, sorry. Belly's too
What we gonna do now?
Sounds JC.
Miata. Imagine your media guy having to help pit for you. He's doing great.
Thanks. It's fine. I was gonna take a picture, right? Oh my god, are you Fry's Media? Tag BG just said hi to me. Oh my god, there's too much cool stuff going on. First lap of the day. Nerves at 3,000.
Nerves at 3,000?
Nerves, yeah, nerves. Not RPMs because the car's off. We're gonna be alright. this big ass wrench so we can change the O2 sensor. So O2 sensor is reading like 40 plus when it should be between 10.4 and 13.4 at wide open throttle. So 40, 50 isn't ideal. First lap was lit though. It was outside.
Sorry, I got distracted by yours.
That thing sounds wicked.
What do we have here?
Time changing boy. Got 2 of them off. Let's go.
It's like 9,000 degrees out here at Atlanta Motorsports Park. It's going great. We had one minor inconvenience, which was the O2 sensor. Yeah, that got fixed. I got tired.
Yeah, we fixed it.
Yeah, me and Tire Tech Fries. He's out here. My guy's a big pit crew guy today. He's not only a camera guy, he's also a freaking pit crew guy. But it is really hot. Fellow took a nap in the truck because it was unbearable. My face hurts from it being hot. It's hotter than Florida. It's hot. It's very hot. We're gonna get back on track now, and hopefully I can chase Fellow now with a fresh set of tires and not a set of scrubs. That was an awful idea. We didn't spin her or anything, but we were just, you know, a little ice skating. Skippity skip. The day's going good. We've gone about through 30 gallons of fuel and about 6 sets of tires. So yeah, it's pretty expensive so far.
Good day.
Good day. But let me tell you, wide open throttle on that hill is crazy, boy. That hill drop and all the monteen and all the wide open throttle. Fuck.
So the e-brake like whip when you come like to brake to fucking slow the car down.
The car is gripped up right now, man. We have 3/4 of total, I think it is, in the back. And like you pull the handbrake and it snaps. The car is super snappy. I love it. It's never felt this good before. It's exactly how it was at Pro-Am. That damn inner clip. Which if you watched the round 1 vlog, you'll definitely see what I'm talking about if you're watching this. Basically fumbled the bag because we kept missing the inner clip. But it's okay, you live and you learn. Everything other than that was great. Drove the car at 110%.
right, so that's it. That's a wrap. We're out of here for 4th of July drift at Atlanta Motorsports Park. We're going to now shoot over to Mid Pond. We're throwing like our own little mini drift week. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. It's really good. You know it's a good day when you drive your car off the trailer and back in the trailer. Both cars had very minimal issues, O2 sensors, and fella had like a coil pack or a spark plug. Very simple stuff. Cars are working, everybody's happy, everybody's saying we're slaying and consistent, and we're driving a lot more aggressive, which that's really cool. I think fella's ready to go, so we'll see you guys at Mid Pond. Let's get it. I'm trying to see if it's gonna fall off. Nah, I think it's good. Yeah, it would have fell off like that.
Yeah, it would have.
All right, let's go.